Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited accounts on Discord. To know how to fix or how to solve exited account on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.